Well, my situation before we started working together is that I've been a coach for several years and have known Steve Semler for several years as well. Always had great admiration and respect, and wanted to see what the new coaching program that he was using was all about. I had read the Positive Intelligence book before and found it interesting and useful, but hadn't really applied it, not systematically. And I wanted to have a more consistent approach to managing things. And so asked Steve if I could join in a pod and go through this mental fitness coaching program. So I felt a need, and this program and Steve's facilitation really met that need quite well. I was very impressed with the results. I've been working on mindfulness and things like that for 30 years or more. This was the most efficient way I've yet found to achieve some of the same benefits, and to use it in that situation of encountering a saboteur, taking control, and accessing the sage. That as a drill was very, very helpful indeed. I've seen results with it any number of times. I've used it with my teaching when I'm grading papers and I start to get judgmental about some of the students. I'm able to recognize the judge, and because I recognize the judge, I'm able to derail the judge with a few PQ reps and get back into being my best self as an instructor. So it's been eminently useful. It's helped me do the faculty teaching job that I also have much better than ever before, more efficiently, and with better results. I've enjoyed working very much with Steve because he is an excellent listener. He's a very sharp listener. He listens not only to what you're saying, but between the lines, unusually well. He also did a great job facilitating a group that was a little unruly, and I was probably a large part of the unruliness of it. But he did an excellent job managing the pod, and I thought that was very well done indeed. I'd say I've seen quite a few coaching programs. I've been coaching for well over 20 years, and I've seen many programs come and go. This is by far the most effective and efficient coaching program I've seen. It is transformative. It can be as efficient and powerful as you need it to be. It also pulls together a lot of different disciplines and practices in a tremendously effective and efficient way. So if you are looking to get the best benefits from coaching around mental fitness, this is certainly the path to take.